In this video, we are going to show you how to turn messy notes into clean systems or just clean paragraphs or clean notes, right? So how do we do this? You screenshot, you take a photo of your note or you scan it, depending on how you go about things, and then we upload it to your new Poppy AI board. So to do this, look towards your left-hand side. This is going to be your main menu here. Click on upload, right? Like so. This pop-up will appear. You can just drag and drop it here, or you can just click from device, Dropbox, or Google Drive. We're just going to click from device because that's that. And then we click on this one, right? This is a very messy note about psychology that we have. So click done. So it's going to be here, right? There we go. It's creating. Yeah, there we go. We have this. After this is done, we click a new AI chat that we need to launch. There we go. And then we just connect it like so. And then we just prompt it to just copy it and give us a better rundown of whatever notes we have here. It's going to analyze the entire thing. So you can prompt it something like, I want you to go about the file I linked and give me a clean outline of the messy scribbles. Make an in-depth outline that is easily understandable and press enter. Now, Poppy Chat is now going to analyze everything and going to break down. That is going to be a very nice outline for us. So as you can see here, here we go. Quiz number 2, study notes. It's going to give us even, tables like that. There we go. So as much as possible, make sure the photo or the notes is as clear as possible. There you go. So the outlines transforms your handwritten notes into a structured, easy to study format that maintains all the key concepts while improving readability and organization. So that is how we do it. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.